Now question number 3. Okay, refer to example 5, section 14.4, chapter 14. It means we have to refer here chapter 14, example 5 of section 14.4. Then you find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. Okay, so when you check this, example 5 of the chapter 15 in section 14.4, so you get some information. Okay, so that is answer 3 here. So from the bar graph, there is bar graph is given, that you see, okay, in chapter 14. So from the bar graph we get here some information, that is total number of students there are 40, okay, of the class. So total number of trial 40, and there and here number of student was born in August, because here asking about the probability of a student of the class was born in August. So we find here number of student was born in August, that is we get here 6. Okay, so that is our event A. So we decide here, let event A denote that a student was born in August. Okay, so number of trial in which event A occur is equal to 6. Okay, so here we decide event A, so we write here for that P into bracket A is equal to 6 upon 40. You write the formula, whichever formula you remember, okay, whichever we write already in first and second. So that is here, from that here statement you write number of trial in which event A occur upon total number of trial. So here event A occurs 6 times and total number of trial 40. So we get here 3 upon 20. Okay, so this is answer third. Now question number 4. Here 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Okay, it means together. We toss here 3 coins 200 times with the following frequency of different outcomes. So here whichever data is given, this frequency is come when you are trying. Okay, these 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, they are togetherly. So here outcome means which are outcomes. So 3 heads come, 2 heads come, 1 head come, or no head come when you are tossing the 3 coins. So frequency is 3 head, how many time come? 23, 2 head 72, 1 head 77, and no head there is any one. Okay, only there is 28. So here if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed, again to compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. So here you find the probability of 2 heads, it means this one, only for that one. Okay, so now from this sum we get here the whichever data is given. Okay, so here total number of trialing, that is 200. So okay, answer 4. So here answer 4, here total number of trial 200, and whichever asking probability. So let event A denote that probability of 2 heads coming up. Okay, that is our event A. So number of trial in which event A occur. So event A, it means 2 heads how many time occur? 72. That is given here in this textbook. Okay, so probability P into bracket A is equal to 72 upon 200. 72 means this statement you write in the formula, number of trial in which event A occur, and 200 means total number of trials. 72 upon 200, then we get 9 upon 21. So this is our answer of, okay, for probability of event A. Okay, now question number 5. Okay, so an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them. Okay, surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. Okay, the information gathered is listed in the table below. Okay, So here monthly income is given, then vehicles per family. Okay, suppose there is first income is less than 700,000. Okay, so there is some families have zero vehicle, one vehicle, two vehicle, or more than about two vehicle. Okay, so here we find the probabilities here given. Okay, suppose a family is chosen as, so find the probability that family chosen is, so as per 1 2 3 4 5 here probabilities we have find here. So it is event A, B, C, D and E. Okay, okay, so first we try here. Okay, number 1 here. Okay, earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicle. Okay, okay, so here from the question, okay, answer number 5 is here. Answer 5 of 15.5, sorry 15.1. So here total number of family is 2400, so total number of trial 2400. Okay, so here we decide, okay, let event A denote that probability that of the family earning, okay, earning 10,000 to 13,000. Okay, here first probability is given here about 10,000 to 13,000 here. Okay, earning 10,000 13,000 per month and exactly two, so that we decide here. Okay, so that we decide here per month and owning exactly two vehicle. Okay, so number of trial in which event A occur, that we get from the data, yeah, information. So here you see 10,000 to 13,000. Okay, so here zero vehicle means one, here one vehicle means 500 335, but we here asking exactly two vehicle, so 2 means 29 in this 10,000 to 13,000, so 29 we take. So here number of trials in which event A occur is equal to 29. So P into bracket A is equal to 29 upon 2400. This is your answer of this probability. Okay, okay, now we are trying for second probability. So here for second probability we find here earning 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Okay, so here you see in the data here this one last one, okay, 16,000 and more. Okay, this one you take and exactly one vehicle. So here exactly one vehicle, here one vehicle, and exactly it means 579. Okay, so here in number 1 we decide here, let event A, so now we write here B. Okay, denote that probability that a family earning 16,000 and more. Okay, like that you write per month and exactly one vehicle. So number of trial in which event B occur. Okay, so here event B occur how many times? 579. So you write here 579. Okay, so number 2. Okay, you see here. So number 2 here. Hello, P into bracket B is equal to 579 upon 2400 is equal to 193 upon 800. We divide by, okay, 3. This one and this one we divide by 3, then we get this answer as like PC. Okay, then PD and then PE. Okay, now third number we see. So here third number is, hello, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle, કે જેની પાસે એક પણ vehicle નથી અને જેનું પર મંથ શું કહે earning 7,000 છે, કે that is less than, so that is given here less than 7,000. Okay, and they does not have any vehicle, it means zero. Zero means less, they does not have any vehicle. So for that, hello, for that income 10 number. Okay, it means 10 families have, okay, any vehicle. They doesn't have any vehicle. Okay, they doesn't have any vehicle, and their earning is less than 7,000. Okay, so that is your C, event C. Okay, so you write as like, okay, let event C denote that the probability, here you write that the probability earning, hello, less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So the number of trial in which event C occur, the event C occur is equal to 10. Okay, so PC is equal to, hello, P into bracket C is equal to 10 upon 2400 is equal to 1 upon 240, as like number 4. Number 4 here earning, hello, 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles, કે જેની પાસે 2 થી વધારે vehicle છે. Okay, so that is here 13,000 and 16,000, okay, per month, this one, and they have owning more than means above 2. So how many? So 25. Okay, so let, hello, event D. Okay, now we decide event D. So let event D, okay, denote that the probability, okay, the probability of family earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicle. Okay, so the number of trial in which event D occur, okay, event D occur, it means 25. So P into bracket D is equal to 25 upon 2400. Okay, the number of trial in which event D occur upon total number of trials, so is equal to 1 upon 96. Okay, and last, hello, last event here, owning not more than one vehicle. Here here some families, they don't have, okay, more than one vehicle, એટલે કે 0 પણ હોઈ શકે અને 1 પણ હોઈ શકે. It means these two data we take here, these two, 10 160, 0 305, 1 535, 2 469, and 1 575. It means this all we take here, owning not more than one. It means this all family, hello, this all family earning this monthly income, and they have, okay, not more than one vehicle, like a 0 and a 1. Okay, so here let event E, okay, let event E denote, okay, denote the probability of family owning not more than one vehicle. Okay, so number of trial in which event D occur, okay, this all numbers. Okay, so that I write here. So 10 plus 160, then 0 plus 305 plus 1 plus 535 plus 2 plus 469 plus 1 plus 579. It means these both one, okay, upon total number of trials, it means 2400. Okay, so we get here 2660, 2662 upon 2400, then we get 1331 upon 12 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the 5 probabilities of this sum. Okay, okay, so here this question 5 is over. Okay.